Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Harshita, a girl who 90% likes to smell books and 10% likes to read books, but 100% likes to buy books. So today I am planning to share some romance recs with you. This can include billionaire romance recs and rom-com, cutesy, sunny, giggling rom-coms that can make you giggle in front of everyone and you will be blushing in front of them like, oh. Excited, right? I was too when I first thought of reading these books. So let's go. So imagine तुम और तुम्हारा भाई अकेले रहते हो somewhere without your parents and उसको बाहर जाना है किसी important काम से, तो he is leaving you alone for some time, but वो किसी एक इंसान को ये responsibility देके जा रहा है कि तुम्हें मेरी बहन का ध्यान रखना है, and that someone is his best friend. Now that best friend is actually very filthy rich, बहुत ही ज़्यादा अमीर, plus he's very handsome with green eyes. Wow. Yes. Plus he has green eyes and he looks very cold-hearted, grumpy. Means he's exact opposite of his brother, of her brother. Like उसका जो brother है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा funny and carefree like person है, and his best friend जो एक्चुअली जिसके ऊपर उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी उसको देखने की, ही इज़ काइंड ऑफ वेरी कोल्ड, बट he falls for her. So the book I'm talking about is Twisted Love. It is the first part of Twisted series by Anna Huang. So let me just read one line for you that might convince you to read this book, and I hope you will read it after this line because it is very. You are the only woman I have eyes for. Your enemies are my enemies. Your friends are my friends. And if you wanted, I would burn down the world for you. I hope you are convinced. I need more convincing for this book. So imagine, तुम हो और एक लड़का है. Now, you both are childhood best friends. और तुम उसे थोड़ा थोड़ा पसंद करती हो, थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं, एक्चुअली बहुत पसंद करती हो, बट उसे बता नहीं पा रही हो. क्यों? क्योंकि तुम्हें डर है कि मे बी ही विल नॉट लाइक यू बैक, और ही विल रिजेक्ट यू, और इट विल अफेक्ट योर फ्रेंडशिप एंड ruin it. But the plot twist is he likes you back. Now what happens is you both have to fake date each other to protect the image of the guy. And you both happily agree. हाँ, तुमको सामने से बोलना है कि अरे यार क्या किस प्रॉब्लम में हम फंस गए, and you, but inside you are just giggling and everything is happening with you like butterflies and all. लेकिन जो लड़का है उसके कुछ फ्रेंड्स और वो मिलकर एक चीट शीट बनाते हैं जिसकी वजह से they try to impress you. Now the cheat sheet might look like this. First, holding hands. Second, food fight. Third, tuck her hair behind her ear. Get her favorite flowers. It works every time. You getting flowers to your girl works every time. भाई कोई भी. You know the cheat sheet looks like. Let me show you how cheat sheet looks like. The cheat sheet looks like this. Wow! It's romantic. It's way too romantic. I think you should definitely go for it if you are starting a rom-com, but you want it fast-paced. I think you should definitely go for this one. So our next book is kind of a different book. Like it has everything. It is a proper rom-com. It has total comedy. Real total comedy. It is a workplace romance, plus it is also a billionaire romance. Like this story is set up in kind of Disneyland type of setup, like Dreamland, where there is one girl Sarah who is never noticed at her workplace, but she gives one drunken plan, कुछ ऐसा plan देती है जिसकी वजह से she got noticed by her boss and he offered her a good job under directly him. Now something happens where their banter starts. उनके बीच में कुछ ऐसा हो जाता है जिसकी वजह से पूरा बैंटर शुरू हो जाता है, एंड दे स्टार्ट नोटिसिंग ईच अदर मोर ऑफन, और ऑब्वियसली लीडिंग टू समथिंग बेंटर एंड and that banter changes their work thing. Like सब कुछ change जाता है, they start involving romantically and all. So it is kind of steamy. It will make you laugh. It will make you giggle.
Means it has everything. Plus, the hero is very grumpy, just like Alex Volkova. Hero Dhruvan K, very grumpy and cold. He meets everything perfect, but when he meets Zara, the talkative girl, he just vanishes. उसको कुछ और दिखता ही नहीं है ज़ारा के अलावा कि ना
कोई नहीं है वहाँ पे, केवल she is there. So there is something very funny in this book where one phase comes where he wants to ask her out but he got nervous. So she asked him कि तुम्हें मेरे में क्या पसंद है, and the man goes like कि तुम्हारे अंदर वो सब कुछ है जो मुझे एक इंसान के अंदर नहीं पसंद. Boom, here goes his shot. Means after everything he wants to impress her, he's like hopelessly in love with her.
he's like, don't even look in her direction if you want to be alive on this planet. So, but still he is not able to express it, but he does, and in a very, very, very romantic date. Like, read it and you will actually be like,
this kind of men should have been there for me. Why I am single? Why we don't have this kind of men anymore? And this girl is like, उसको पता ही नहीं है कि that man actually loves her so much. She is like, he's not only out of my league, he's out of my atmosphere. Like, girl, please, that man is whipped over you. So the book I'm talking about is The Fine Print by Lauren Asher. It's the first part of a series called Dreamland Billionaires, and I think if you will read this first book, you will definitely gonna read second and third book because they are bomb. I think you should definitely give it a try to this book and you will love it. So these are my top 3 romance books which made me laugh, which made me cry, and which made me fall in love with myself a little more. So these books are something which I loved with all my heart, and I wanted to share it with you. So if you have any other recommendations of romance which you would like to share with me, tell me in the comments, because my TBR can grow a little more too. And don't forget to tell me your favorite book out of these in the comment section, plus any other books which you want. Till then, thank you for watching and subscribe for more. Thank you.